Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my video is about how to make this cute Valentine Day special paper bag. This is very easy to make. It will open like this. So just open this ribbon and you can put any gift inside this paper bag. So let's start with procedure. For this we need one hard punch, scissor, any satin ribbon, liquid glue, any designer border, or you can use lace, paper cutter and designer cardstock. First I am taking this designer cardstock which measures 36 cm by 28 cm. Now I am folding this paper in half like this. Now we have center mark, so fold one side paper in the center like this. Now fold other side by overlapping little bit like this. Make a crease. Now add some glue on one side and connect with other side. Now I am folding the bottom part approx on 1.5 inches. Then fold this corner in triangle shape like this. Then fold upper side and in the same way I will fold the lower side like this. Now add glue on both the flaps and connect with each other. Then on this fold or on this diamond shape I am folding this longer side like this. Similarly I will do with other side. Then I will open the paper bag. So it's done. The basic paper bag is ready. Open it very carefully and slowly and just pinch from top side. Like this. Now I am folding this upper part approx on 5 cm long side. So here I am marking on 2.5 cm, that is on mid point. Join this midpoint and I am making a slit so it will work like a handle. Now I am cutting this slit using paper cutter. Similarly do this in bottom side. Like this. Now I am cutting the half portion of the handle like this and I will fold the upper part to close the bag. Now to decorate this bag I am adding designer border punch If you don't have this designer border punch, you can add decorative tape or any crochet lace or any pattern paper. Similarly, I will add on back side. So it's done. Now I'm adding some heart to decorate the handle. Now I'm making one hole using hole punch to tie the ribbon so that we can lock the paper bag. So insert one ribbon through this and make a knot. Here I have created one tag in heart shape by adding some punch craft flowers and leaves and one sentiment. Here I am taking one baker's twine and making one knot through this heart shaped tag and inserting through the handle hole. So I am attaching this tag with the bag. Make a knot here like this. So my project is done for today. My bag is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.